My name is Roy Hasson. I'm the VP of product at Upsolver. Been doing the data engineering stuff for quite some time. Big user of Spark, love Spark, love Iceberg. We've been using that for quite some time here at Upsolver and built some services around it that I'll talk a little bit about today. But the main focus of this session is to kind of get you started with using Apache Spark and Iceberg, how to create tables, how to update tables, delete rows, and kind of get a little bit into the weeds of the manifest files and how Iceberg does things. From the agenda perspective, I kind of broke it up into three sections. The first section talks a little bit about what is Iceberg, how should we think about it, what does it fit in the overall kind of Lakehouse architecture. The second part of this conversation is around just going into Spark, jumping into the console, typing some commands, creating tables, updating, deleting tables. Going to look into the manifest files. What do they look like inside? How do you understand them? A little bit on the system tables or the procedures that Iceberg gives you out of the box to inspect the information about your table, right? What's the snapshot, the history, the changes, what files associated with it. And then we're going to shift into another section that's focused on what I call table services. You'll see some of that inside of the Spark documentation or the Iceberg documentation. Those are functions that let you optimize and clean up your data, but I want to think about it, or at least talk about it in a slightly more holistic way, as opposed to like, here are some functions that we can use, but are much more holistic, and how does this apply in a grand scheme of things to the Lakehouse architecture.